Bev Martin, Le Spa. Honey, as I know you,
Yes.
you have been going through a lot of different things at Le Spa this year. What are you doing?
We sure have. When the economy started to go down, we just thought that instead of backing away like everybody else was doing out of the center, I decided to go ahead and remodel because the prices of remodeling were a little bit lower. It was easier. We could confirm a new lease at a better rate. And I just thought, keep the people we've got working and just see if we can make it work.
And now's the time. I tell you what, tell me about some of the incredible things at Le Spa. I feel like I've known you all forever. What do you offer as far as services?
Well, we're total. We have a total spa with skin, hair, makeup, nails, and Dr. Finger is the biggest draw that we've ever had. He's wonderful. I've known him for about 30 years, and we've been friends forever. And when I said I was going to enlarge the spa, he said, make room for me. And I said, wonderful. That's what we did. We made two beautiful skincare rooms for him,
And it's great. Well, let me ask you this. As far as bridal services, what can a bride expect, or what are some of the services that a bridal party might want?
well, they can come in even a couple of days beforehand. The mothers can come in and have rejuvenation on their face. They can have a little bit of freshening as far as
That's what I want.
yeah, it's wonderful. He does a lot of wonderful treatments beforehand so that everybody looks their very best the day of the wedding. But the brides can come in the day before the wedding and have facials, manicures, pedicures. And then the day of the wedding, they can also come in and finish up with their hair and makeup. It's just a total several, maybe 3-day celebration that they can get going on.
Well, I can tell you this. Le Spa makes you feel pampered and special, and it's a wonderful place. Thank you.
Thanks, Debbie.